Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Toledo back at it again. On today's video, we are at Costco. Here's my taco. Here is Costco. And here's my new Jetson Bolt. So I did just purchase a new Jetson Bolt Pro from Costco. It was about $360 with taxes. So I do have a few of you subscribers here that are here because of my Jetson Bolt that I used to have. But I did get rid of that one. And I wasn't using it pretty much, so I got rid of it. And now I need it again. But that one's not in stock anymore. And they came up with a new Jetson Bolt Pro. So I just snagged that one because I am going to be needing it for work. And we're going to test it out and see how good it is. Hopefully it's as good and as reliable as my Jetson Bolt that I used to have. But I'll give you guys an honest review once I open it, unbox it, and test it out. Update. So it's the next day, guys. And I haven't unboxed the Jetson. Well, as soon as I get home from doing laundry, I'll go ahead and unbox it for you guys and test it out. We're gonna unbox this thing and I'll show you guys what comes with it and how to build it. Here's everything that comes with it. Seat. Throw that on there. Start taking the zip ties on. Alright guys, so far I pretty much already built it. I just need to put the pedals, obviously. Take off these foam pads. Right off the bat, I can tell you that it does need air. Maybe a few pounds. I'm not gonna throw these on myself personally, but you can. It says right and left. Couple of tools, which is nice. All right, guys, so there she is. Just need to adjust this reflector, something like that. And I need to put air, remove the plastic, Install the little flap that goes back here. Chargers right there, tools are right there. Everything you need. This one doesn't have a built-in light like the old Jetson, so they threw in that light that goes right here. It reminds me of the lights from my Pixie, the frog lights. Taking it on its first spin, right out of the box. On switch here, throttle, cruise control. Man, this thing's pretty fast. I forgot you could pedal. Jesus, this thing gets up to speed quick. I haven't put air in the tires. I will put some. It has front and rear brakes, which is awesome. Jesus, this thing's pretty quick, dude. Oh my God, this thing's fast. It feels fast with the pedals. I'm not even throttling it right now. There we go, gas and pedal. This thing's pretty fucking fast. This Jetson though, motherfucker gets up quick. I'm like literally just pedaling right now. I still need to put air and a little faster actually. I will stop at stop signs. You guys roasted me before for not stopping. It's all Gucci. Still alive, haven't died. This thing is fun. I think I need an alignment. An alignment. This shit is fun, bro. I wonder if I could just turn it off and ride just the pedals. It's off now. Let's see, no gas. This thing is off. I'm riding it like a bike now. It's a little difficult. But it's possible. If you run out of battery somewhere, you could always just pedal. Get home somehow. Let's turn it back on. There we go. Sheesh, puppy. Sheesh. Sheesh. Thing's fast. right, guys, we are back home. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in again. I hope you guys enjoyed the little Jetson update, and you guys like the new one. I really like this one better than the old one because you could actually pedal, and you are not limited to going to certain places, because now if you run out of battery, you could always make it home by pedaling. Other than that, give the video a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.